Dear students, good evening. Let us see the problem on the CPM critical path method. A small engineering project consists of six activities, namely A, B, C, D, E, and F. A, B, C, D, E, and F, with the duration of 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 3. 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3 days respectively. Draw the network diagram. So, like this, you have to draw the network diagram and calculate EST, LST, EFT, LFT. EST, earliest start time, latest start time, earliest finish time, and latest finish time. And floats. You have to find the floats. You have the total float, free float, and independent float. And mark the critical path and find total project duration. So, like this, you have to draw the critical path and you have to find the project duration. This is the problem. Okay. So this blue color table was given directly in the problem. Okay. Here immediate predecessor is given, activity is given, and duration is given. So generally, if you take 1 to 2, see in this 1 to 2, some activity. So in this 1 to 2 activity, 2 is called head event and 1 is called tail event. Here, 2 is also called as a successor event and one is called predecessor event. Okay. So here, immediate predecessor means, see, predecessor. So here, one is before 2 or after 1 we will have 2. So like that, you have to, by using this, you have to draw the network diagram. So here, so from this table, see here, A, B, C, D, E, F, and here immediate predecessor A, B, A, D, C, like that. So here immediate predecessor means, so before A, here we're not having any type of letter. That, so that means you have to start with A. So you have to draw two circles. No need to give the numbers. Okay, first you have to draw two circles and you have to represent the activity A. So like this, with two circles, you have to show the A. So this is the first activity. So after that, you have B. So before A, we have A. That means after A, we can draw B. And before B, we have a predecessor. That is A. So immediate predecessor means before A, before B, we are having the A. Or after A, we should the activity B. So like that we can follow. So simple. After A, we have to draw the activity B. So after A, you have to draw the activity B. Then after B, we have C. After B, we have activity C. So after B, we have activity C. Then after A, we have activity D. After A, we have activity D. So after A, we have activity D. Already you drawn the B this side. So other side you have to draw the activity D. Then after D, we have E. After D, we have E, C. Then after C and E, we are having F value. After C and E, we are having F value. So this indicates C and E will join at one circle. So C and E here join at this circle. So after that we are having F value. So from this circle you have to draw the F activity. So like that at the for F activity also you have to close this F activity with two circles like this. Once completion of this network diagram, we have to give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in sequence. You have to give the numbering. So the same activity we can show in the table also. So A, B, C, D, E, F, we are taken in a vertical. Then here A activity is in between 1 and 2. So I am writing 1 to 2. Similarly, B is in between 2 and 3. Then C 3 to 5, D 2 to 4, and E 4 to 5, and 5, sorry, F value 5 to 6. So generally some problems, activities, some problems are given directly with the activity 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, like that. It will be easy, but sometimes the problems will be given like this. So you have to convert like this, then it will be easy. Okay, right. So now from this table, from the same table, so activities A are 1 to 2, like that. You have to find the all required values. So first of all, you have to complete the network diagram. So here you have to take boxes like this with, hmm, then see here. Here they're given the duration also 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3. So that means in activity A or 1 to 2, 1 to 2, the value is 4. So we are taking the 4 value. After then B we have 6. For C we have 5. So 5. Then D we have 4. For D we have 4. And E we have 3. For D, sorry, for D we have 4. And E we have 3. For E we have 3. And F we have 3 value again. So that means here 5 to 6. In between 5 to 6 we have the value, the duration is 3. So like that you have to you have to write the values. So then you have to take the boxes like this. One is the EST, another one is LFT. Earliest start time and latest finish time. So as you know as per the, the procedure, how to fill these boxes. Based on the earlier video, you can do the same. Let us see once again. So initially, so you have to take the zero value with 0 days. Okay, 0 days, the day. So 0 days. So for coming to second point, so here 0 plus 4, the value will be 4. Then next point 3. So 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6, the value will be, so 4 plus 6, the value will be 10. Then after then, coming to 4, here also 4 plus 4, we will have 8. Then coming to 5, here there are two ways. One is 3 to 5, another one is 4 to 5. This is the forward loop. So in this forward loop, you have to take the maximum value. Okay, see, so here 10 plus 5, one is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 5, do this, close the door. So 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Here, this is in between 3 to 5. Similarly, see here, 8 plus 3, that is 11. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, so 15, comma 11. 8 plus 3, that is 11. And 10 plus 5, that is 15. So here, 15 is the maximum. So you have to take the maximum value, 15 here. Okay. Similarly, coming to point number 6. So 15 plus 3, 18. Okay. So like that you have to close the forward loop. Now you have to come from the back side. Okay. See, here the last value is 18. The same value you have to take here also in the LFT box. Now you have to take the values in reverse backward loop. See, let us take 18 minus 3, that is 15. Then after 5, we have 4. So 15 minus 3, that will be 12. Then coming to 3, 15 minus 5, that is 10. Now, if you come to 2, there are two ways. One is 3 to 2, other one is 4 to 2. Okay, see here, 10 minus 6 is 4 and 12 minus 4 is 8. See here, 12 minus 4 is 8, 12 minus 4 is 8 and 10 minus 6 is 4. So here the 4 is the least value. So I was taken the 4 value. So in the reverse loop, you have to take the minimum value. In the forward loop, you have to take the maximum value. Okay. Then last 4 minus 4 will be 0. So like that, you have to complete the backward loop. So like that, you have to complete these boxes. So that means you got EST and LFT values for each case. So same values you have to fill in this box. EST and LFT. See here. 0, 4, 10. See here, sorry. Here you have a formula for EST. Some procedure is there for EST. Earliest start time. So here the for activity 1 to 2, activity 1 to 2, earliest start time means the in the first line in the process 1 to 2, you have to take the first value. Okay. So in every case, you have to take the for EST like that only. But let us see. So in 1 to 2, in between 1 to 2, 0 is the first value. Similarly, in 2 to 3, 2 to 3, in 2 to 3, 4 is the first value. So in 2 to 3 means at 2 only, at 1, at 2, at 3, at 2, at 4, at 5 only, you have to take the first values. That is EST. For EST, you have to take the values at starting points. That means at tail event only, at tail event only, EST. So EST is the first box, the first box for each activity. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. In that place, you have to take the first value. So like that, in 1 to 2, the value is 0. And 2 to 3, here 2 is the first value. So 4. Again, here also 2 to 4, same value. Say 4 and 4. And if you take 3 to 5, so 3 to 5, at 3, the first value is 10. Then after then, 2 to 4, 2 to 4, see here, 2 to 4, at, sorry, not 2 to 4, also you are taking 2 to 4 also. From 4 to 5, from 4 to 5, the first value is a 4. So at 4, you have to take the first value 8. Then after then, 5 to 6, 5 to 6. So from 5 to 6, the first value is 15. We are taking the 15 as a. So like that, you have to close. So you have to complete the EST values. So 0, 4, 10, 4, 8, and 15. So like that, at first point, you have to take the values. Similarly, LFT also you have to complete. So LFT. So just wait. So for this, for LST, so at second point, so LFT is the second point. That means in the second value in the box. So that means at 2, for each activity, you have to take at second value. 2, at 3, at 5, at 4, it also at 5, and at 6 only, you have to take the second value. For example, in 1 to 2, see 1 to 2, the second value is 4. Second value 4. So we are taking the LFT. Sorry, this is LFT. First value is 4. Similarly, in 2 to 3, at 3 only you have to take. At 3, the second value is 10. See that 10. Similarly, for 3 to 5, 3 to 5, see 3 to 5, 3 to 5, here at 5 only you have to take the value. So the 5, at 5, second value 15. 15. Similarly, 2 to 4, at 4, so second value is 12. Second value is 12. Then from for 4 to 5, at 5, the second value, at 5, the second value is 15. and last 5 to 6 at 6 the second value is 18. So this is the second value. So as of now you are completed the EST and LF, right? So the remaining values you have to find, like you have to find the remaining values is LST and EFT. Okay, we have direct formulas. I was already discussed about the formulas from the concept. Okay, you can refer the previous video. How did you get these formulas? Here, the floats also. Okay, see here. Second. So for the EFT, okay, EST plus T, EST plus T. Okay, EST plus this is the duration, this time. So if you add these two values, you will get the EFT value. See, 4 plus 0, the value will be 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 5 plus 10, 15. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 8, 11. And 3 plus 15, 18. This is about EFT. Then LST. Okay, then LST. So this is the LST. So LFT minus T. This is time. Duration is time. Okay, time. So for this, you have to subtract the time duration value from LFT. See, so LFT minus time. See, just wait. So you have to find the value from the formula. Let us take this color. See here, coming to this. So you have to find out the LFT value. See LST value. LFT minus time. So this is time. So LFT minus time. Then you will get the LST. See, 4 minus 4 will be 0. Then 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 you will get 4. Similarly, 15 minus 5, 10. 12 minus 4, 8. And 15 minus 3, 12. And 18 minus 3, 18 minus 3, that will be 15. So like that you have to find the LST value also, right? Then now we are now we need to find out the floats. So coming to floats, the total float is the summation of the, sorry, the difference of LST minus EST. LST minus EST. LST minus EST. See here. LST minus EST. The difference of two values will get the total float. So 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. And 8 in between total float. LST minus EST. LST means 10, 8 minus 4, 4. And 12 minus 8, 4. 15 minus 15, 0. This is about total float. Then we need to find out the free float. We need to find out the free float. So we have formula total float minus SH. SH means slack at a head event. Slack at a head event. So this is the head event. This is head event for activity 2. If we take 1 to 2 activity, 2 is the head event. Similarly, in 2 to 3, 3 will be the head. If you take 3 to 5, 5 will be the head. Here 2 to 4, 4. Here 5, here 5, here 6. So for this, at this particular points only, you have to take the slack. Yes, slack is the difference of the two values in the box. For example, we take two values, second value, see, 1 to 2. Here, 1 to 2 means at the second point. So here, in 1 to 2, 2 is the head. So we are finding the slack at the head. Hey, that is second. So at this point, oh, the difference is 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, this is a slack at head event. Similarly, in for 2 to 3, at 3, the difference 10 minus 10, 0. Similarly, for 3 to 5, 5 is the at event. At 5, 15 minus 15, 0. 2 to 4, 4 is the at event. So at 4, 12 minus 8, that is 4. Similar at 4 to 5, 5 is the similar to this 5 and 5, 0 value, same value. And 5 to 6, at 6, 18 minus 18, 0. Okay. So for independent float, we need similarly we need to find out the ST. That means slack at a tail event. So here tail is the if you take 1 to 2 activity, one is the tail event. Similarly in 2 to 3, 2 will be the tail. Here 3, 2, 4, 5 are the tail events. So for example, if we take 1 to 2, okay, at 1 you have to take the value, difference values. So here 0 means 0, 0. Here 2 to 3, you have to take the value at 2. Second point, here 2, 4 minus 4, 0. So here at 3, you have to take the difference, 10 minus 10, 0. So here in 2 to 4, 2 to 4, at 2, you have to take the difference, 0. And at 4 to 5, here in this 4 to 5, so at 4, you have to take the difference. So 12 minus 8, 4. Similarly, 5 to 6, at 5, this is the 5 is the tail event. So at 5, the difference 50 minus 50, 0. So like that, you have to find out the slack at the tail also. Now, here, you can easily find out the free float and independent float. Free float and independent float. Okay, just wait. See, free float. Here the formula is total float minus slack at H. So, see, this is a slack at head event, SH, and difference of total float. Okay, so difference of total float and SH. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. Similarly, so these all are first three are zeros. Here also first three zeros, so you will get 0 only. And coming to here, fourth point, the value is 4. Here the value also 4. So 4 minus 4 will be 0. But here we are having the 4. But here 0 and 0. So the difference will be 4. The 0 minus 0, 0. So this is about free float. Coming to independent float, free float minus ST. ST means slack at tail event. Okay. So here we have a formula. Free float minus ST. Okay. This is the ST. This is also with respect to free float. Free float minus ST. See, here also first three, four are zeros. Here also are zeros. Okay. So 0 means 0, zeros. Then here E at E, 4 and here 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Here 0 and 0, 0. So like that you have to find out the all the floors. Okay. So like that you have to find out the values. So this is the process. But yeah, they also asked mark the critical path and total project duration. So you already find the total value that is 18 days. That is 18 days. This is 18 days. This is the total project duration. But coming to critical path, you have to show the path in the network diagram. That means the path which is having the largest duration, okay, longest duration. That means, see, for example, you take 1 to 2, you take 1 to 2, 2 to 4, see here, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5, and 5 to 6, for example, let us count 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So that is less value. But if you take this path, that means 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, and 5 to 6. Let us count the values. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So here 18 is the maximum value. So that means you have to take the path to A, B, C, F. A, B, C, F is the critical path. Okay. Or otherwise, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 6, like that. But here they are given the problem in terms of A, B, A, D, C, A. So you have to show the path in A, B, C, F is the better way. So you find that you draw the network diagram, you calculated all the EST, LST, EFT, LFT, and floats also you completed, and also you marked the critical path with a double line, and you find the project duration also. So like that you have to solve the problem. Okay. So you have to follow the right process like that. Okay. Thank you.